How to make stickers with Cricut. Step 1. If you have sticker designs to use, upload them to Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Set complex as the image type and upload them as print then cut image. Step 3. Once you've uploaded the images you want to use, add them to the canvas. Step 4. If you don't have a design in place, go to Images, scroll through and select the ones you want to use. Step 5. Next, make sure that the operation is set to print then cut. Step 6. Select the image, click Offset, set the distance and click Apply. Step 7. If the offset layer is on the front, right-click on it from the Layers panel and click Send to Back. Step 8. If your design has multiple layers, select it and click Flatten on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 9. If you get an error saying that the image is too large, click the error, then click Change Page Size. Step 10. Click the Print Then Cut Page Size drop-down, change the size of the page and click Done. Step 11. Now, go to Shapes and select a square. Step 12. Unlock the square and resize it to W 6.5 and H 9.25 to fit into the Print Then Cut registration mark. Step 13. Right-click the square and select Send to Back. Step 14. Duplicate and rearrange the design on the square. Step 15. Now, hide the square by clicking on the Hide icon in the Layers panel. Step 16. Once done, select all the designs and click Attach. Step 17. Click Make It, ensure that the material size is correct and click Continue. Step 18. Click Send to Printer, double-check and confirm that the right printer is selected in the pop-up window. Step 19. Toggle off Add Bleed, toggle on Use System dialog and click Print. Step 20. In the new Print pop-up window, set the quality to Best and click Print. Step 21. Insert label paper into the printer and wait for it to print the sticker designs. Step 22. Before you proceed, go ahead and calibrate your machine if you haven't done it yet for precise print then cut. Step 23. Now, place the printed paper on the mat and smooth it down using a brayer tool. Step 24. Optionally, you can tape it down to ensure that the paper stays in place. Step 25. Load the mat into the machine and prep it for cutting. Step 26. Go back to Cricut Design Space, click Browse All Materials, search and select Light Chipboard and click Done. Step 27. Press the Go button to start cutting. Step 28. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, then peel off the excess materials and cut out stickers from the mat. Step 29. The stickers are ready to use. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.